This is absolutely amazing. This mother bird is sheltering her babies. Look at this. From the rain. This is a mercy that animals show for their offspring. Absolutely amazing. She's using her beautiful wings like an umbrella. Wow. I've never seen something like this in my life. And the Quran says very clearly that every animal species have formed communities like you. Birds form communities, animals form communities. This is the mercy of the Creator Supreme. Look at that. Wow, absolutely amazing. Stay well, look after yourself. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.